Most people think you need a camera, expensive software, or years of experience to build a successful YouTube channel. But channels like these are proving the exact opposite. This channel uploaded fewer than 20 videos and is already pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. This one covers completely different topics, yet its videos perform just as well. And this isn't an isolated case. Over the last few months, I found dozens of small channels using the same content style and getting results that most creators never achieve. Some are talking about technology, others focus on animals, some cover internet mysteries, businesses, health, or even fictional universes. Different topics, different audiences, yet they're all using the exact same formula. What's surprising is that most of these videos can be created without showing your face, recording yourself, or spending money on expensive tools. So what is this content style? And more importantly, how can you create it yourself? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding profitable niches and generating video ideas to writing scripts, creating visuals, producing voiceovers, and editing everything into a finished video. By the end, you'll have everything you need to build your own explainer channel from scratch. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and open the PDF I've provided in my Telegram channel or the comment section. Inside that PDF, you'll find a collection of master prompts. Copy the very first prompt, which is designed specifically for generating video topic ideas. Next, return to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the Ask Anything section, then click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with dozens of potential video topics and niche ideas. And if none of them catch your attention, don't worry. Simply type More and press Enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate another batch of fresh ideas for you. Once you've selected a topic that fits your channel, it's time to move on to the next step, generating the script. To generate the script, go back to the Master Prompt PDF and locate the script generation prompt. Copy the entire prompt, then return to ChatGPT and paste it into the Ask Anything section. Next, find the area labeled Insert Title or Idea here. Instead of using the example text, paste the video topic you selected in the previous step. After that, choose your target video length. For this example, I'll set the duration to 5 minutes. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a well-structured script tailored to your chosen topic and target length. The script will already include a strong introduction, smooth transitions, engaging explanations, and a proper ending, giving you a solid foundation for your video with minimal editing required. Once your script is ready, return to the Master Prompt PDF and locate the Thumbnail Generation prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a detailed thumbnail prompt specifically designed for your video topic. Next, copy the generated thumbnail prompt and head over to Google Flow. Click on Create Project, then select the Nano Banana Pro model. Set the image aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the ideal format for YouTube thumbnails. Now paste the thumbnail prompt into the input field and click Generate. After a few seconds, Google Flow will create a high-quality thumbnail tailored to your content. If needed, generate a few variations and choose the one that stands out the most. A strong thumbnail can significantly improve your click-through rate, so take a moment to pick the best option. Once you've selected your favorite design, download it and use it as the thumbnail for your video. Now it's time to gather the visuals for your video. Open your browser and search for Pexels footage. Then click on the first website. Pexels provides thousands of free, high-quality images and videos that you can use in your content without worrying about copyright issues. Next, go back to ChatGPT and start reading through your script one paragraph at a time. For each paragraph, identify the main subject or keyword and search for related visuals on Pexels. For example, if the script is talking about a sedan car, simply copy the keyword sedan, return to Pexels and search for it. Download a few high-quality images as well as some video clips that match the topic. Once you've collected enough visuals for that section, move on to the next paragraph of your script. Let's say the next paragraph mentions urban areas. In that case, search for keywords like urban city, city streets, or downtown on Pexels and download the most relevant images and videos. Repeat this process for every section of your script. By working paragraph by paragraph, you'll always have visuals that perfectly match what's being said on screen. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to collect resources for your videos, because it keeps everything organized and highly relevant to the narration. And don't worry if you can't find every single visual right away. During the editing process, you can always come back and download any additional images or footage you might need. Now it's time to generate the voiceover for your video. First, go to the Google AI Studio website and click on Get Started. Once the interface loads, click on Playground from the menu on the left side. Next, on the right panel, select Agent Preview. Under the audio section, choose the TTS model you want to use and select a voice that matches your content style. Before generating the audio, Clean up the default settings, remove any text that appears under scenes and sample context, and disable multiple speakers so that only a single speaker remains active. Now, return to ChatGPT and copy your entire script. Go back to Google AI Studio and paste the script into the Speaker 1 text box. After that, open the speaker settings panel and customize the voice to your liking. Select the character, voice style, pace, and accent that best fit your video's tone and audience. Next, return to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a voice style instruction under 100 characters to generate the audio of this script." Copy the generated instruction and paste it into the audio profile field in Google AI Studio. At this point, everything is ready. Click Run and wait for the audio to be generated. Depending on the script length, this may take around a minute. Once the voiceover is ready, click the download button to save the audio file to your device. You now have a professional quality voiceover ready to use in your video. After generating your voiceover, it's a good idea to do some basic audio editing before using it in your final video. If you're editing on a smartphone, you can use Lexus Audio Editor. If you're working on a computer or laptop, Audacity is a great free option. For this tutorial, I'll be using Audacity. Once Audacity is open, simply drag and drop your audio file into the project window or import it manually. Now make a few subtle adjustments to the audio. You can slightly modify the pitch, tone, equalization, or speed to give the voice a more unique sound and better match your channel style. The goal is not to dramatically change the voice, but to make it sound more natural and personalized for your content. After you're satisfied with the result, export and save the edited audio file. Next, head over to Adobe Podcast and open the Enhance Speech feature. Upload your edited audio and let Adobe Podcast process it. This tool helps reduce background noise, improve clarity, and make the voice sound cleaner and more professional. Once the enhancement process is complete, listen to the final result to make sure everything sounds good. If you're happy with the quality, click the download button and save the enhanced audio to your device. You now have a polished voiceover that's clear, professional, and ready to be used in your video editing software. Now it's time to put everything together and edit your video. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any video editing software you're comfortable with. Start by opening CapCut and importing all of your downloaded images, video clips, thumbnail, and the voiceover you generated earlier. First, drag the voiceover onto the main timeline. This will act as the foundation of your edit, since all of your visuals will be synced to the narration. Next, go to the CapCut library and select a plain white background. Drag it onto the timeline and extend it to match the duration of your voiceover. This gives you a clean canvas to work with throughout the video. Now begin listening to the voiceover and add visuals that match what's being discussed. For example, if the script starts by talking about a sedan car, you could first display the thumbnail you created earlier. Adjust its size and position so it fits nicely on the screen. To make the visuals more engaging, use keyframes to create movement. Set a keyframe at the beginning, move a few frames forward, and then zoom in on the sedan car. This simple animation helps keep the video dynamic instead of feeling static. As the narration continues, add relevant images and video clips to support what's being said. If you have footage of a sedan car, place it on the timeline at the appropriate moment and adjust the timing so it matches the voiceover. You can also use text to highlight important points. For example, if the narrator says, "easy to drive," add a text layer with those words on screen. Customize the font, add a subtle shadow, and position it where it's easy to read without distracting from the visuals. The more attention you give to timing, motion, and visual variety, the more professional your videos will look. Don't be afraid to study successful creators in your niche. Pay attention to how they use animations, transitions, text, and visual storytelling. You'll learn a lot by observing what works and applying those ideas to your own style. For this example, I've only edited a small section of the video because completing the entire edit would make this tutorial much longer. The process remains the same throughout the rest of the video. Listen to the narration, add matching visuals, and use simple animations to keep viewers engaged. Once you've finished editing, watch the entire video from start to finish and check for any mistakes, timing issues, or missing visuals. When everything looks good, click Export, choose your preferred video settings, and save the final video. Congratulations! You've successfully created and edited your own explainer-style video from start to finish. Sedan. This is one of the most common car types, known for its balanced design and everyday practicality. It usually has 4 doors, a separate trunk, and a low ride height, making it easy to drive in cities and on highways. Sedans are widely used around the world because they offer a smooth ride, good fuel efficiency, and enough space for small families.